big news so far.
Disgruntled Congress leader Navjot Singh Sidhu, who is the loggerheads with Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, finally met former party president Rahul Gandhi at his residence for almost an hour in Delhi. After the meeting, neither Sidhu nor the Congress party commented on it. This meeting comes after the Sidhu met Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on Wednesday. According to the sources, the revamping of Punjab Congress and changes to be made in the state government rank ahead of the assembly polls in 2022 were discussed by the two leaders. Reportedly, Sindhu has been offered a ministerial berth in Punjab government and post of party's campaign committee chief. All marketing companies have increased the price of non-subsidy LPG cylinder. According to the new agency, the price of 14 kg LPG cylinder refill has gone by Rs 50 to 834 rupees 50 paise in Delhi and Mumbai, while the price of domestic cylinder weight 19 kg has also been increased by 76 to 1550 in the national capital. After the latest hike, a LPG cylinder refill cost Rs 850.50 paise in Chennai and the highest in the country. According to the news agency PTI report, LPG prices has gone up by 115 per 14.2 kg cylinder since the beginning of February. Soon after the death of Ram Vilas Paswan, the founder leader of Lok Janshakti Party, a key Dalit leader and the center of the party, lost his words. His son and LJP leader Chirag Paswan, who held the party post his father's demise, is now in the state of perplexity over what to do in a backbreaking situation. He lost all his political friends, including his uncle Pasupati Paras. Paswan said, "I had not linking that the family and the LJP would disintegrate in a few months. After the death of my father Ramvilas Paswan, my younger uncle Ramchandra Paswan passed away a few years ago. Then my father passed away." When asked what prompted the difference between him and his uncle Pasupati Paras, Chirag said, "In normal circumstances, my uncle Pasupati Paras could have been taken complete responsibility. He had to take, he backstabbed me. I am deeply pained that my family member betraying me." Twitter users across the nation has reported trouble on Thursday in accessing the microblogging site. According to the outage monitoring website Doubt Detector, following the description, Twitter said profiles to it may not be loading for some of you on the web and we are currently working on a fix. Thanks for sticking with us. This outage isn't something new as it was reported in April this year. Meanwhile, Twitter apologized for the inconvenience caused and tweeted later saying tweets should not be visible on profile but other part of the Twitter for the web may not be loading for you. We are continually working on getting things back to normal. However, the issue still persists. India reported 48,786 new COVID-19 cases in last 24 hours, ending at 8 am on Thursday. According to the data released by the Union Health and Family Welfare Minister, the overall tally of COVID-19 cases in the country now stand at 3,41,634. The COVID-19 death toll rose to 3,99,459 with 1,000 fresh fatalities. The country has 5,23,257 active cases presently.